are there different color variations within Blizzard Leopard Geckos? If you are curious about the color variations of Blizzard Leopard Geckos, you are in for an interesting discussion. These fascinating reptiles do show some color differences, especially when they are hatchlings. In their early stages, you might see colors like white, yellow, purple, and gray. However, as they grow into adults, their colors typically transition to shades of gray and white. What makes the Blizzard Leopard Gecko unique is its patternless appearance. Unlike other leopard gecko morphs that have spots or bands, the Blizzard morph is known for its solid coloration. This characteristic is what many enthusiasts appreciate about them. Within the Blizzard morph, there are some individuals that can appear darker. These are often referred to as midnight blizzards. Interestingly, the darker pigmentation does not seem to be linked to a specific genetic factor. On the other hand, some Blizzard leopard geckos can exhibit a higher yellow tone, which some people call banana blizzards. However, true banana blizzards actually come from a combination of Blizzard and Morph patternless genes. Another interesting trait you might come across is called snake eyes. This refers to solid black eyes that some Blizzard leopard geckos may have. This trait appears randomly and is not genetically linked, making it a delightful surprise for owners. In summary, while Blizzard leopard geckos are primarily known for their patternless and mostly gray or white appearance as adults, there are subtle variations in color and appearance. These differences can add a bit of diversity to the Blizzard morph's overall look. For breeders and enthusiasts, recognizing these variations is important for understanding morph distinctions and potential genetic combinations. The Blizzard morph is also a great base for breeding other morphs, thanks to its solid, light coloration. This provides a clear palette for combining different traits.